Hi guys, welcome to Couple of Spice.
Today we're trying to do something different to show you guys a little glimpse of our kitchen. But before that, happy Thanksgiving, guys, to everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Today we're gonna cook something special. We don't eat turkey. I'm not a turkey fan, and I know a lot of folks are cooking turkey out there, but we usually make chicken. But today
we actually usually do the whole Thanksgiving
with chicken
meal, but we've been eating so much healthy meals the last few weeks.
Yes.
We were craving this.
My 10-year-old was craving this. He loves it. So we're gonna show you guys how to make our version, Couple of Spice version of mutton curry, also known as artrachi.
Okay, so we have the meat all ready to go. I'm cooking that for my son, and then a super spicy version for us right here, all cut, washed, ready to go. I'm gonna go over the ingredients and we're gonna prep the meat and then we're gonna start cooking.
Yes.
So we're gonna need 1 whole garlic and a couple of pieces of ginger, like that much, okay? And we're gonna need to grind that up. We're gonna do it manually. 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 Then for onion, red onion, definitely red for this. A bunch of
Thai green chilies,
curry leaves, and half of a lime. That's about it in terms of the ingredients. The goat meat, these are the key ingredients.
and obviously the chili powder and the tomato powder.
The chili powder and spices is a whole other story. We're gonna review that when we start. First, you're gonna need to wash all this.
Did you wash it?
Nope.
The chilies look washed.
No, it's not washed. I have my assistant.
I'm gonna try this. I got it.
You did it?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, let's get started.
Minced?
So I need it, yeah,
Minced?
diced. We're also going to need rambaila. I totally forgot about it, but this is key. This is key.
Ingredient.
It's a key ingredient for mutton curry. Some people use bay leaf, but I prefer this. I'm gonna chop these up. So you don't chop these up. You kind of leave them big pieces. Just tear them like that, so they're like long pieces like that. Okay guys, we've already chopped up our onion and chilies, curry leaves, rambaila, everything's ready to go. Can you grind it up for me?
Yes.
Okay, while he does that, I'm just gonna show you something for the meat. We're gonna add a little bit of turmeric, like a 1/4 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, maybe like a 1/2 teaspoon. And some salt. About a teaspoon. I'm gonna mix it up and just set it aside until we're ready to cook. Some people add the ginger garlic right in here. I like to actually cook the ginger garlic in the oil. I prefer to do that. So that's my preference, but you guys can.
Like you said, it's a Couple of Spice version,
Yeah,
guys.
this is our version. And you know what? We actually have another 2 versions of this I can share. This is just the first version. Honestly, with everything we cook, I honestly have
Multiple
at
versions.
least 2-3 methods, as you saw with the sambal. Okay guys, we're all set. We have the garlic and ginger ready to go. Let's go over to the stove.
I'm gonna show them how to mince the garlic and stuff.
Yes, did such a great job.
No, it's not about that, but I'm gonna show them how it looks like.
Okay guys, I'm using a cast iron pot because I think that's the best.
Holds the heat.
Yeah, it holds the heat. It's my favorite pot. I got it at Indigo and it's actually really good. So first thing, turn on your stove and I have some extra oil here, canola oil. Let's start with that. Okay, let's get the spices. All right, so we're gonna need some cinnamon, some Karambu. I don't know the English word. We'll find it and post it.
Close.
Close. I knew that. I have no idea.
The star sea or something, star sea.
Is it star anise?
Yeah, star anise, yeah. Anise or star anise, yeah. Tamil enna adukku? I don't know.
A little bit of this guy.
What is that guy?
Another name, I don't know. Guys.
Tamil enna?
I don't know. Long sweetly thing. Cardamom. Elakai in Tamil. Okay guys, oil is hot. Let's get started with the spices. So we need a teaspoon of mustard. About a teaspoon of fennel. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Okay, lower the heat. Okay, couple of pieces of cinnamon whole. Okay. Have a couple of pieces of the star anise. I don't put the whole thing. 4 cloves. Don't put too much of the cloves. It has a very strong taste. And 3 cardamom. No, don't do it. Do that. The fuck? Didn't you do that?
No.
And then some of this flour.
Jali patri. Nice.
Next goes in our
Garlic and ginger.
ginger garlic. Okay. This is for my son. Our rambela. Yeah. Let's mix this up and let's just fry it up.
That's good.
Also gonna add half a teaspoon of fenugreek. Okay, let that fry up, and we're gonna add in the onions next. Okay, let's add in all our red onions. It's a lot, but trust me,
Okay, cook.
it's gonna cook down. It's necessary. Let's add our green chilies. Add our chopped curry leaves. And, of course, add a little bit of salt so this cooks down. Okay guys, this is softened very nicely. We're gonna add the meat in. Add it all in. Adding a little bit more turmeric. Okay. This is our favorite. So that's why we're making this today. Yeah. So if you prefer gravy, obviously, just take it out before it like butters too much. But yeah, don't let it butter too much. But you can also add potatoes. Today we're not adding it. I feel like this is our favorite recipe. So this is our couple of spice recommended version. We'll show you the other methods. Okay guys, just checking. Hubby, what do you think? Should we cook it even more?
Yeah. Mutton has to be well cooked, guys.
I know, but we're gonna add the spice and let it cook.
Okay.
I think this is good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add the spices.
Okay.
Okay,
We're
guys.
gonna add a couple of spice chili powder. To be specific. Or any curry powder you guys use, guys, that you buy at your local store.
Guys, this is gonna be spicy.
Yeah.
So, 3.
Don't judge us.
Don't. 4.
Yeah.
5.
Guys, we're not cooking to lose weight. We're cooking to eat good food.
And like I said, we're cooking this after, I think, I don't even know when we last cooked it. Yeah, it's been so long. So this is our plain chili powder that I grind myself. I'm gonna add 2 of that. And then there's like the plain chili powder piece. and then some plain chili powder.
Can they use cayenne?
I don't know. I don't think it's the same. I thought it was, but it's not.
Yeah.
I still feel like this is not enough. But we're gonna mix it, go by the color. Salt, please.
Close to you.
I'll say. Remember, we've salted this a few times already, so we're gonna watch what we put.
I mean, where did you buy these jars?
Crate and Barrel, guys. I love it. No regrets. No regrets. Okay, increase the heat. Mix it all together. I go by color. That's what I go by.
I go by taste.
But this looks like we need a little bit more spice. Am I crazy? That looks good already. Okay guys, we made a decision to add more spice. Crazy, I know. Okay, how much?
Yeah.
Okay, that much.
Yeah. And
We're gonna go in with more curry powder.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more. I know, this is crazy. I know. A little bit more of everything. Because it really calms down after,
no,
guys.
mutton absorbs it.
It really does. I think for spice, we're gonna have to add this. Okay. Spice to your preference.
Yeah.
Guys, okay? And you know what? My husband's gonna taste this and to still say that this is not spicy. But, and I got used to it too. Now I need the spice. Okay, mix this up. We're gonna close the lid so the spices cook really well. Just watch it so it doesn't burn. Lid, please. Or perisirham. Perinjiram.
Jesus.
A little bit of black pepper. So black pepper can be very overwhelming, so just a little. Coriander, a teaspoon. Melli, a little bit more because I'm using it. I'm running out of, so weirdly enough. Okay, maybe like a stick of cinnamon. Okay, but I have all like pieces, so I'm sure I have dry red chili. That's it. That's it, guys. We're gonna roast this and grind it, and this is gonna go as your last step on your curry.
Okay.
Here's our junior quality chef checking his curry out.
Adi, tell us.
Okay,
Tell us what's missing, what you need. Let's see.
You don't need to add anything. It's
How's the salt? How's the salt?
amazing and incredible.
Do we need any more spice? I find it less spicy.
No.
This is
Should
okay?
we add more
That's
spice?
okay. No, it's okay.
I think we need spice.
No.
No.
Yeah.
And what do you think overall?
It is 85K, actually 85 billion out of 10.
Wow.
What?
Okay.
We want. Do you want it gravy or dry?
I love the gravy.
We're just gonna dry roast these spices. Okay guys, we've already roasted our spices. We're gonna add it to our creepy. Let it cool before you grind. Turned off oil. We're gonna grind this into a coarse powder. That's it, guys. Okay, guys. So we're gonna. This is cooked. This is ready to go. We've tasted it for salt, spice. Everything's perfect. We're gonna just add our last spice mix. And this is according to your preference. Now, if you like the whole, like that, the aroma, taste, the fragrance, add more of this. We don't like too much of this.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't like too much. I don't want it to overpower everything else that's going on here. So I'm only gonna add, start with like an actual teaspoon, not a heaping. And just gonna sprinkle it right across. Okay, my favorite part, curry leaves. And my husband's gonna add the lime. That's it. Lower.
Okay, hold on. Let me